Hi everyone, in this video we want to find the value of x that satisfies this equation. Solution. First, let us rewrite 5 raised to power x plus 2. I want you to recall this indices law. If a is raised to power b plus c is equal to a raised to power b multiplied by a raised to power c. So let us apply this principle for this expression. So we can say 5x plus 2 is equal to 5 raised to power x multiplied by 5 raised to power 2, which is equal to 5 raised to power x multiplied by 25, because 5 raised to power 2 is 25. So let us substitute 5 raised to power x multiplied by 25 for 5 raised to power x plus 2. So we are going to have 5 raised to power x plus 5 raised to power x multiplied by 25 equal to 125 raised to power x. In our left hand side, let us factor 5 raised to power x because it is common to both terms. So we can say 5 raised to power x bracket 1 plus 25 equal to 125 raised to power x. 1 plus 25 will give us 26. So we can say 5 raised to power x multiplied by 26 equal to 125 raised to power x. Let us rewrite 125 raised to power x. And in indices, if we have a raised to power b or raised to power c is equal to a raised to power b multiplied by c. Now here 125 is 5 raised to power 3. So we can say 125 raised to power x equal to 5 raised to power 3 all raised to power x. And let us multiply the powers. So we are going to have 5 raised to power 3x. So the equation will now become 5 raised to power x multiplied by 26 equal to 5 raised to power 3x. So let us divide both sides by 5 raised to power x over 5 raised to power x over 5 raised to power x. Here 1, here 1. So we are going to have 26 equal to, and in indices, if we have a raised to power b over a raised to power c is equal to a raised to power b minus c. So we can say here we are going to have 5 raised to power 3x minus x. 26 equal to 5 raised to power 2x. 3x minus x will give us 2x. And we can flip it. We can say 5 raised to power 2x equal to 26. Take logarithm base 5 on both sides. So we can say log 5 raised to power 2x base 5 is equal to log 26 base 5. I want you to note that log a raised to power b base a is equal to b. So let us apply this rule to this. So we can say 2x equal to log 26 base 5. To find x, let us divide both sides by 2 over 2 over 2 x equal to log 26 base 5 over 2. This is the value of our x. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.